Come test drive the 2019 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, power moonroof. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.